Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are well. My today topic international travel insurance. Traveling around world is thrilling experience. However, no matter how precisely we plan our trip, things tend to go haywire. Presenting Reliance Travel Insurance that offers coverage against lost passport, lost checked in budget trip delays more. We offer plans specially designed for Asia, such as USA, Canada, and other countries, and have a customized plans for family trips, solo travels, senior citizens, and students studying abroad. A medical coverage of at least euro 30,000 is compulsory to get a Schengen visa. We recommend you to opt for our Schengen travel plan if you are traveling alone. However, you can select our World Excel Insert USA Canada plan if you are traveling with your family. Take a look at the plan and coverage that we have in the store for you. Solo trip, medical expenses 50,000, standard in USA, silver in USA 1 lakh, gold in USA 2 lakhs 50,000, loss of passport good, total loss of checked in budget, delay of checked in trip delay 6 days max, trip cancellations, interruptions, missed connections and compassionate visit, home, Berkeley insurance, family trip, medical expenses 50,000 and 1 lakh gold in US dollar, loss of passport, total loss of check-in, detail of check-in, trip delay, trip cancellations, interruptions, missed connections, financial emergencies assistance, compensate visit, home, Berkeley insurance. Then Citizen travel insurance standing in a queue for Citizen visa. You won't you won't be issued the same without a travel insurance policy. Presenting Allianz Travel Insurance, which offers Citizen approved travel plans that can be issued within minutes without any paperwork or medical checkup. With this policy, you get the advantage of visiting multiple Schengen countries like Switzerland, Spain, Italy, France, Germany, Portugal, Denmark, and more. Click and view the detailed list of countries. A medical coverage of at least euro 30,000 is compulsory to get a Schengen visa. We recommend you to opt for our Schengen travel plan if you are traveling alone. However, you can select our World, Excel, Incel and USA Canada plan if you are traveling with your family. Look at medical expenses 30,000 and 50,000, loss of passport, total loss of checked in budget, delay of check in, compensation visit. What does the policy cover? Your Suggestion travel insurance policy packs in the following items: accidental bodily injury during the trip, accurate and aesthetic treatment of treat due to an injury, emergency expenses made for medical evacuations to India, total loss of your checked in by a common carrier, cost of obtaining a fresh or duplicate passport in case of a lost passport, emergency medical expenses incurred by you whilst abroad for any sudden illness, injury, or death, compensations for death or permanent disability due to an accident while riding as a passenger in a common carrier. reimbursement of return ticket fare for a family member visiting you the insured if you are hospitalized for more than 7 days. Expensive incurred while transporting the incurred mortar remains back home or towards burial abroad in case of over an untimely damage. Compensations for a third party in case your involuntary actions result in someone's demise, cause someone injury or damage to health or property. What does the policy not cover? While you are insured for most likely situations, not everything can be covered in an European travel insurance policy. Here's list of exclusions you need to keep in mind. Expenses incurred if you are traveling against the advice of physician and have to be hospitality. Receiving or are on a waiting list for specified medical treatment, traveling to receive treatment abroad, have been given terminal prognosis for a medical condition, expensive incurred due to any of the following conditions: suicide, self-inflicted injuries or illness, mental disorder, anxiety, stress of depression, venereal diseases, alcohol, drug abuse, HIV, AIDS, war or nuclear threat in the country where you are traveling, in case loss of checked in baggage or not partial loss of damage shall become payable. What to extend your trip? Take a look at this. If your holiday if your holiday is extended for any reason, we recommend that you extend your travel insurance policy. It always better to save than sorry. Dole and fill the extensions form with a good health declarations form. Visit the nearest branch. T and C apply. Detail mentioned. Here are for Reliance Travel Care Policy. Premium has been calculated for an individual who is 22 years old and is traveling to a certain countries for 4 days. Popular search: travel insurance online, international travel online, certain travel insurance USA, travel insurance Canada, family travel insurance premium calculator, travel insurance Dubai. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channels and share to other. Allah Hafiz.